You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this color. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting vocabulary and color names too. Stay tuned. Vermillion is how it's said in English. Now, you have to know that in French it's said vermillon. It comes from French, vermillon. So that's why some people might say it as vermilion, vermilion, but in English, vermilion, 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 vermilion is how it's said. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.